Do you want to make her constantly think about you? Want to be the guy who is always on her mind? The key isn't desperation, it's or over pursuing. It's about creating an emotional impact that lingers. When you tap into the psychology of attraction and mystery, she won't be able to stop thinking about you. Here is how to make her obsess over you without chasing her. One is be unpredictable. Routine is the enemy of excitement. If she always knows that, or knows what to expect from you, she won't feel that thrill of anticipation. Keep her guessing. Switch up your texting patterns. Surprise her with new date ideas, and don't always be immediately available. How do you do that? If you always text her good morning every day, stop for a day or two. Let her wonder why. When she reaches out first, you've already got her thinking about you. You get it? So the second thing is create emotional highs and lows. People remember strong emotions. If every interaction with you feels the same, she won't have anything to hold on to. Make her laugh. Tease her playfully. Challenge her opinions. Keep her emotionally engaged. And how are you going to go about that? If she says she loves a certain movie, playfully disagree and tease her about her taste. The light banter will make her think about the conversation later. Even if she acts she's moved on, she will definitely go back thinking about it. So the third thing is leave her wanting more. Always leave on a high note. If you stay too long or over communicate, she won't have time to miss you. End conversations before they get boring, and let her be the one to crave the next interaction. How? If you're on a great phone call, don't wait until the energy fades to say goodbye. Cut it off at the peak by saying, I have to go, but let's continue this later. She will be left thinking about the conversation and anticipating the next one. That's a trick. So the fourth one is use the power of scent and touch. Scent is closely linked to memory. If you have a signature cologne or she wears your hoodie, that scent will trigger thoughts of you even when you are not around. Physical touch, like a light graze on her arm or a hug, can create subconscious attraction. An example is if she borrows your hoodie, make sure it smells like you even when she's at your home. She will associate that scent with you and think about you without even realizing it. So the fifth thing that you can do is give her space to miss you. If you're always available, she won't have time to crave your presence. People value what they feel they might lose. Take time for yourself. Focus on your goals and let her wonder what you are up to. How? Is if she texts you and you are busy, don't respond immediately. Let her sit with her thoughts and curiosity for a while before you reply. This creates anticipation. It will make her miss you. It will make her want you. So the sixth thing for you to do is have a life beyond her. A man with a purpose is incredibly attractive. When she sees that you are passionate about your career, hobbies, and personal growth, she will naturally want to be part of your world. If you always drop everything for her, she won't value your time. Instead, let her see you dedicating time to the gym, work, or friends. She will start thinking about how to fit into your life rather than the other way around. So another thing you can do is leave little reminders of you. Subtle reminders can trigger thoughts of you throughout her day. A song, an inside joke, or even something random you said can make her smile and think about you. If you always send her a funny meme related to a specific topic, she will start associating that topic with you. Next time she sees something similar, she will think about sending it to you. Even if you haven't talked in a while, she will think about sending it to you. So making her think about you constantly, making a woman think constantly about isn't about overwhelming her. It's about creating emotional connections, maintaining mystery, and leaving a lasting impact. Be a man she admires, one who surprises her, challenges her, and gives her space to miss you. Master this, and you will never ever be forgotten.